Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel World of Social. Let's learn together. Class 6th History from NCERT books. Have you seen the picture? Who is this? Yes, this is a hunter. And he is running after a deer. So, do you know today's topic? Let's see. Chapter 2, From Hunting, Gathering to Growing Food. Let's discuss. Hunter-gatherers. The name comes from the way in which they got their food. They hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, or gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. They moved one place to another place in search of food. They could not stay at one place because they would have eaten up all the available plants and animals. People moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants. People need water to survive. Water is found near to lakes, streams and rivers. Some people living on the banks would have had to go in search of water. Knowledge about hunters. The people made and used tools of stones, wood and bone. Tools were used to cut meat and bone, scrap bark from trees, chop fruits and roots. Some tools were used to make huts. Some tools were used to chop the wood which was used as firewood. Some tools may also used for digging the ground to collect edible roots. Tools for stitching clothes made out of animal skin. Living places. Archaeologists have found evidence of hunter-gatherers. Many sites were located near sources of water such as rivers and lakes. People tried to find places where good quality stone was easily available. Bhimbetka, located in Madhya Pradesh, is an old site with caves and rock shelters. These rock shelters are close to the Narmada Valley. Some caves have paintings on their walls. These paintings show wild animals drawn with great accuracy and skill. Archaeologist has got some sites. So let's see where are these sites in India. First of all, we will talk about Paleolithic sites. These are Bhimbetka, Hangsi, Kurnul caves. After that, Neolithic sites. Burzahom, Mehergarh, Chiran, Koldiva, Daujali Hadding or Payampalli and Hallur. After that, we will talk megalithic sites. Megalithic sites, Brahmagiri, Adichammalur. So let's talk about early villages. Early villages, Inamgaon. There were early villages located. Modern cities. Modern cities are in Mumbai, Kolkata. These two places. These were places where all the sites were located. find out about fire. The people were familiar with fire. Fire could have been used for as a source of light, to roast meat and to scare away animals. Names and dates. Archaeologists call the earliest period and Paleolithic age. Paleo means old, lithic means stone. So this time period was called Stone Age also. The Paleolithic period extends from 2 million years ago to about 12,000 years ago. This long span of time covers 99% of human history. 12,000 years ago till 10,000 years ago is called the Mesolithic age. They invented wooden bows and arrows for hunting, boats for fishing. Stone tools found during this period are generally tiny and are called microliths. Microliths were stuck on handles of bones or wood to make tools such as saws and sickles. About 10,000 years ago is known as the Neolithic age. A changing environment. There were major changes in the climate of the world with the shift to relatively warm conditions. They led to the development of grassland, in turn led to an increase the number of deer, antelope, goat, sheep and cattle. Rest of the chapter we will discuss in our next video. Till then, wait for my next video. Bye-bye. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.